This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to download ringtones and songs on your Android phone. So if we go on over to the Google Play Store, there's an application we can get that's completely free. So just go to search and type in ZEDGE, Zedge. Then go to this one right here, Zedge Wallpapers and Ringtones, and open it up. Now with this application, we don't need to buy anything. We can just hit the X, otherwise we're going to get a bunch of ads here. So we can go to search now and just type in a song or anything like that. I have Tom Petty, Gears of War, Mario Brothers, Halo theme, etc. So just type something in. So let's go ahead and just type in, I don't know, Link or Zelda or something like that. And then just see what pops up. And then we can go on over to ringtones. Parking the ad. I'm not sure what all this stuff is. So we can just go to it and click it and go to the download option. Now we can download it to our phone if we go to save to media folder. Otherwise we can just fast track it to set as ringtone, set as contact ringtone, set as alarm, set as notification. And then we can just press that button and it will update it automatically on our phone. So we don't even need to go to it and assign it under our phone settings. We just need to press it under this application and it should set automatically. So you can download it very easily. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.